In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on network discovery in Windows 10. So firstly, click on Start, then type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Select View by as category. Now click on View Network Status and Tasks. In here, click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Now to turn on network discovery, select this first option and also select first option, turn on file and printing sharing. Then click on Save Changes. So that's the difference. By this simple step, we can know how to turn on network discovery in Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video.